welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last night I was looking through my Pokemon cards and also sorting them out. An idea popped in my head and I was like, you know, I have a lot of Paradox Rift, so why not add to the collection and open up the ETBs that I have. Before we get into this video, if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and you have your notifications on so you do not miss any time I post. And yeah, let's get into opening this ETB. So I got this ETB from Walmart. Surprising, because nothing is ever at Walmart. I don't think I've opened up an ETB like myself. I think I did open up an ETB with my little cousin. I'm not quite sure on that. Can't remember. If I did, I will let you know in editing. But yeah, at Walmart, this was your last chance to get it. I don't know if that is true or not, but I haven't seen these for a while. I also haven't seen ETBs in a long time at Walmart. So let's get them open. This is double sealed. I don't know if that should be an alarm to me or not, but you know. Also, these were on sale, so I don't know. Would it be alarming if it's double sealed? I don't know. Okay, so this is the player guide. Oh, okay, so it has all of the cards in there for the set. That is cool, and that would be so much easier for the master set. I can check all them off and cross them off. Cool. We'll lay that right there. Alright, let's get this off. Oh, and there's little things in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Also, I've seen Sam open up a couple of these, and I think they're really cool because it comes with like a little case that you can carry things in, which I think is really cool and also like less wasteful. Let's see what is inside. So we have some sleeves. Sometimes I forget what I'm saying. I think I said it in a video before, but like, you know, I sometimes forget what I'm saying. Okay, so we have our damage coins. Oh my god. Then we have some of our dice. Then we have dividers. And oh, I think this is the promo. Ooh, nice. Can you guys see that? Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Also, energies. I have so many energies, but we're gonna lay them there. And we have our 9 packs. So let me get all this situated and I'll be right back. Now that I have everything situated, let's get into opening some packs. Also, in this video, I am going to show you my Paradox Rift binder. Also, do not judge a girl on her Paradox Rift binder. The binder is just a regular dollar store binder. It's not going to have any of the special cards in there, like the big hitters. It's just the whole the base cards, if that makes any sense. But, you know, I don't know. Okay. One to the front, right? Because this is Scarlet and Violet, right? Yeah, okay. Let's guess the energy. I'm going to guess grass. No. Alright. I think these are so cute. Like that's the minus and like, and the plus. And last one. Oh my god. That is cool. I think that's my first ever like full art trainer card. Yeah, I think that is my first one. Which is so cool because I always wanted a full art trainer card that I didn't buy. Because I have one that I bought. But that one is so cool. Oh my god. Let's put it in the sleeve. And let's put it in a top loader. Oh, I missed the hole completely. All right. Whoop. Boop, boop. And let's lay that right up there. Right there. Yes. Let's move on to the next pack. Have any of you guys seen this Elite Trainer box in Walmart? Because I haven't seen Elite Trainer boxes at Walmart in a very long time. Like, I think the last time I've seen one in the wild would probably have to be in like 2020 or 2019 or something like that. It's been a long time. Okay, let's get the energy. Let's do water. Nope, psychic. Man. Oh, cute. He's eating blueberries. I think they're blueberries. To me, they look like blueberries. And Wiglet. And a Steelix. Nice. Alright, next pack. Do Paradox Rift have stellar Pokemon? I think that's what they call it. Stellar Pokemon? Oh. My dog is barking. I really don't know if they have stellar Pokemon. Because, like, this pack, isn't that a stellar Pokemon? Maybe. I don't know. If you want to, you can correct me in the comments. But, obviously, be nice because, you know, negativity should be right out that door. And also, I don't think you would be able to see the door because I usually take out the background. So, you don't see the door, but you can leave the negativity there. Alright. Did I just do that? Okay, we'll see. Anyway, guess the energy. We're gonna do metal. Nope, dark. You know, it's been a long time since I got the energy right in a video. Double ice cream. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that one's cool. Cool. Let's get into the next pack. And yeah, I don't know if Paradox Rift has stellar Pokemon. I think that's what they call it. I'm not sure. There's so many Pokemon sets and so many things that I watch that they all blend together. So, also, who is excited for the new set coming out? I think it's called Mega Evolutions or something, but I think they're so cool and I can't wait to actually open the English version. I already opened up the Japanese version, but I can't wait for the English to come out. Okay, I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Anyway, guess the energy. I'm gonna go with fighting. Nope. Man. Dottler. Ooh, Yukamori. the ant. Medical energy. Oh, that evolves into this. Cool. Okay. Fiddle. Ooh, a EX. I also seen that there is a connector art for this one, and I think that one is so cool. Oh, we'll lay that one up right there. There we go. We might need to move. If we get another hit, we might have to move them out of the way. Or move them up or something. Okay, let's get into the next pack. I also got back into Pokemon Go, and I used to have an account, and sadly, I can't get back into it. I have messaged about it, emailed about it, blah, blah, blah. Can't get back into it. So, I had to make a new one. So, if anybody wants to be my Pokemon Go friend, drop your usernames down below and I will add you. And I'll also probably pop it up on the screen as well if you guys want to friend me on Pokemon Go. Let's guess the energy. I'm going to guess Psychic. No, water. Man, I am doing so bad on the guessed energy. Also, if you guys guessed the energy right, comment down below. Tell me your favorite Pokemon. Oh, wait. That's a cool one. That's cool. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite Pokemon is. And like what region your Pokemon is from, if you guys know that. My favorite right now would probably be Eevee, Espeon, and Sylveon. I'm also starting to like Leafeon too, because of like a cottage vibe. I don't know if that makes any sense. But let's get into the next pack. Over the years, I have different Pokemon that I like. Like, I'm pretty sure when Black and White came out on the DS, I'm pretty sure my favorite one was that bunny. I think it's called Bunnyfree or something. It was like the bunny with like, I don't know, I'll pop it up on the screen anyway. But that one was my favorite. And like any quote unquote cute ones, I liked. But yeah. Let's guess the energy. I'm going to guess. Let's do fire. Boys, I'm back in the game. Back in the game. Okay. Alright. You know what that means? This is gonna be a good hit in here. Watch. Just watch. Just watch. All because I got the energy right. Boom. I was just joking. I was just joking. It's actually in this one. It's actually in the next pack. So let's get into that one. Alright. Open it up. Boom. Boom. Put that over there. Switch this over. And let's do metal. No. But it's okay, because I said the hits in this one because I got the last energy right. And yeah, let's... Oh. Every time I see this Pokemon, all I can think of is that episode in SpongeBob when that worm comes out and eats the village.
Ouch.
I don't know. Does that make sense? Didn't I say that? Oh, there's another one. Oh, didn't I say that there was going to be a hit in this one? I I know. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. And to make it better, it's a fire type. So that's how we knew the last energy, because this hit was a fire type Pokemon. Alright, so we're gonna move this. Oh no. We're gonna move that one over there. Put that one right there. That one is so cute. Like, do you guys see that? Oh my god. So cute. So we have 2 more packs left. We're going to save this one for last. And we're gonna open this one. I'm also trying to get comfortable again at recording and being myself on camera. It's been a while since I actually like recorded videos and stuff like alone and that, and even just like posting and recording videos in general. Maybe I'll do a life update, I don't know, maybe, but if you guys want to see that, maybe I will post something for you guys. But yeah, let's stop the talking and let's guess this energy. We're going to guess fighting. No. It's dark. Flipple. Simisage. Norman. And there's that worm again. Ooh. Oh, that one's cool though. I think I have a promo of this. Is there a promo of this? I don't know. Probably, but I have so many Pokemon cards that I've opened over, like, my life. Pokemon just blends all together for me. Alright, last pack. Let's do our tippy tappy of luck. Let's see if we can guess the energy right and also get one last hit. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom. Actually, lay that over there. All right, guess the energy. We're gonna go with grass. No. The water monkey. Ooh, that one's cool. Bone sweet. Free bass. I don't know. I'm trying my best on the names, guys. Ooh, we got the girl again. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. So I guess you can get the stellar Pokemon. Is that a stellar Pokemon? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Anyway. Oh no, we're losing our Pokemon. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do a recap on all the hits that we got from these 9 booster packs. So we got the promo. We got Skeletor. I think that's what it is. The Cheeseman. This one was the first one, and I love this one. That is so cute. And we got the IR. Boom. Also, like I said, do not make fun of my binder choice, okay? I understand it's bad binder behavior, but your girl got to do what the girl got to do, okay? So, I also found a clever way to mark off the ones I don't have, right? So all of these I've already used. And instead of throwing them away, why not use them for the master sets and stuff that I'm using, okay? So we're going to use the sleeves from the booster. Why do I always say booster? It's the Elite Trainer box. we're gonna use those sleeves. You can get ready for a montage because your girl is gonna do a montage of sorting and putting them in the binder, and we will do a final count of the Paradox Rift binder. So, BRB with that. Hi, it's me, and I'm still sorting out the cards, but I just wanted to pop in here and just explain what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I sorted them all out by number. Now I'm putting them in the right order, sleeving them at the same time, and then that's how I'm going to put it in the binder. I don't know why I had to explain that, but I just felt the need to do that. Anyway, back into the little montage. After 1.5 million years later, we are sleeving our last one. Boom. My God. I sleeved that many cards that I ran out of the Elite Trainer box card sleeves. My God. Oh, now we gotta do a little stretch. And a little water break. Okay, what we're going to do now is put all these in the binder. Also, see what ones we have for reverse hollows. Switch them out as we're putting the regular ones in the base binder. Yeah, anyway, you get it. I think. I'm going to go do that. And maybe I'll do a little short montage on me doing that. And I won't waste any more of your time and come back with the final result. After 1.5 hours and a little snack break, I have finally got all of them put away, all of them counted, and now I can tell you the total. So, in that white binder with all the base set in there is 89. We have 1 promo, we have 1 full art trainer, and 1 IR, 2 EXs, and in the reverse hollow binder, I have 17. So that makes our grand total, drumroll please, 111. So 111. While I was putting away the cards, these sleeves, I don't know why. I don't know if it's me. I don't know. But the Pokemon cards are really hard to get in these sleeves. And also I had to switch some of them out because the middle part of my binder sleeves, these would not fit in there. So we have extra sleeves. So this is the end of the video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big fat like, comment down below what you would like to see next, and also the most important part is make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and your post notifications are on so you do not miss any time I upload. And yeah, without further ado, this is the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.